Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my filming space is still not completely set up yet, but we're gonna get there. So today we are trying out a new product that was sent to me. It is the Kiss Falscara. I haven't opened this box yet, so we're gonna open it up. We're gonna try it out and see what it's all about. So I know that the magnetic lashes has been like the big thing lately, and we're gonna see what this is. So when I open up the box, it comes with a card, so it talks about what it is, how to apply it, how to remove it, all of that. It looks like we get the Falscara remover. I look like I'm down low in this camera today. Okay, we're gonna work with it. Anyways, it's the Falscara remover. So this is obviously, I'm assuming, going to remove everything. We'll figure that out. It has the, y'all, this video is already going downhill and we're like not even 2 minutes in. Okay. It's the lengthening wisps. So I don't know if you can see it because the reflection, but anyways, we have that in there. And then we have a starter kit. So this has wisps, the bond, the seal, and the applicator. If you can see all that. So, and there is nothing else in the box. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the card, see what this says. So, meet Kiss Falscara. It's the new way to lash. Falscara is literally falsies in a flash that look amazingly natural. Falscara uses lash wisps that are easy to apply with a unique microband and feather-light fibers that you place under. So it's going to go under, not on top of your natural lashes. The result is a seamless lash extension look that lasts all day. Y'all, I am so out of breath. I'm so sorry. This pregnancy is like, I can't breathe. There's Coda. She's just looking out the window. It's fine. Can you stop? Can you stop? Thank you. To apply. 1, brush a light coat of bond onto clean natural lashes to prime and prep. A little goes a long way. 2, use the Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimal control and application. 1 by 1. Gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. And 3, dab on a thin coat of seal under wisps to eliminate any sticky residue and hold the wisp in place. So this might be a little challenging. I have already done my makeup for the day, like at 7:30 this morning. It's currently like 5 o'clock at night, and I decided to go ahead and do these because I got it in the mail. But yeah, so obviously I cannot apply it to clean natural lashes because I have mascara on already. We're gonna try it with what I have on and see how that works, and then we'll go from there. So go ahead and take these off. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back just so I don't have anything going crazy. I am using a Hotline hair tie from Rosaday's Boutique. That is Casey Holmes' boutique. She's a YouTuber here. So I will link her boutique in the description box. What is wrong with my camera? Why does it keep going down? Y'all, this video is a disaster. Okay, whatever. All right, so I have the applicator. I'm taking out everything we need for that, and then we're gonna leave the lashes on this until they are needed. So, brush a light coat of bond onto clean natural lashes to prime and prep. So this is double-ended, and this is the bond side, this is the seal side. So we're going to go in. Oh, the bond has biotin in it, and the seal is vitamin E. That's cool. All right, so here we go. That is a tiny brush. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so brush a light coat of bond onto clean natural lashes to prime and prep. Okay, so we're gonna try this with what I already got going on. I got my mirror. This little wand is curved, and it is super thin, which I do like. Actually, no, we're only gonna do one eye, and we're gonna do not the other. That way, we can see if these make a difference. Y'all, my eye is kind of sort of stinging just a tad. But it only stings when I have this around my eye. So I know it said a little goes a long way, but I'm going to go in twice just because I do already have mascara on. So we're going to say that this is part 1. And then we will come back another day and do this again with clean natural lashes. So it definitely has a chemical-y smell to it. Like most mascaras don't even smell like this, so that's interesting. Okay, then use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for an optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes. Okay, so we're gonna use the applicator. It is metal. You can see there, this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna go into the lashes right here. And they're like all the same length, so it doesn't really matter which one you pick up. Now it's the hiccups. If I'm not out of breath, I have the hiccups. Anyways, so, oh, that's cute. This like comes out of the little packaging. That's clever. All right, so, and then it has this that like goes on top. So I'm gonna take that off and we're gonna pick one of these up. All right, it's on the applicator. All right, so underneath, away from the water line. So I'm just gonna look up. I don't like the applicator. I don't even know if I like the lash at this point. Now again, I can't give this a fair review because I do already have mascara on, but you know, we're gonna do it. Yo, my eye is burning. All right, let's go in with another one. We're gonna see how this do. So I do not like the applicator. Like, definitely don't like the applicator. Which, if y'all know me, I don't apply falsies with an applicator either. I use my hand. So. And then I'll use the applicator to adjust if it needs adjusting. Okay, it's on there. It is definitely on there. But it's too far down. It was like too close to my waterline. Okay. So I'm not putting them like touching. I am kind of spreading them out a little. If I get close, you can kind of see. Can't zoom out right now because my camera. But I can definitely see a difference. Can y'all see a difference? That's only with 2. So let's go ahead and try a third. Okay, I'm not going to seal it because I am literally just going to take these off. Because again, it's the end of the day. I only put 3 on, and there are 5 lashes for each eye. And I put 3 on. Like I said, I didn't connect them side by side. I did spread them out a little bit. Now I cannot see them. Like I cannot see the band. I can see a little bit of like darker color, like when I look straight ahead, because they're about the same length as my natural lashes, or my lashes with mascara, which I don't use lengthening mascara to begin with. But it is about the same length as my lashes with mascara. It just definitely like volumizes them. So y'all can see with no, and y'all can see with yes. Sorry, I keep looking in the monitor to see how Coda. So anyways, yeah, there's definitely a difference. I do like these. I'm not against them whatsoever. And it kind of reminds me of lash extensions, to be honest. Like whenever you look at someone who has lash extensions and then I look at this eye, it reminds me of lash extensions. So here it is, before and after. I'm obviously not gonna put the remover to use because again, I didn't do both eyes. I'm not gonna seal it. What I will do though is I plan on wearing these one day, like all day, and I'll do it on clean lashes. So what I'll do is I'll do another video whenever I put those on clean. So again, this is just part 1, like the original demo unboxing. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna take my hair down now. That went like super quick. Y'all, that was so quick and easy to apply. Like, you're watching it real time. I didn't speed anything up. Like, it was real time. But I will definitely film another video where I am getting like ready completely, putting this on, seal it, everything, and then we'll do an end of the night thing where I use the remover. But yeah, I don't hate these. I really thought I was going to dislike these, if I'm being honest, because I was like, under the lash, okay. And we might try it on top of the lash one day, have some fun with it, see what happens. But yeah, I do like these. I can definitely see it deepened up the color of my lashes, and the length, the volumizer, I mean, all of it, it's there. So it definitely worked. That is all for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. I will speed y'all up through this part of me taking them off, just because y'all can see me take them off, but no point in watching y'all do that in real time because I'm literally just gonna take it off. So there's that. But yeah, I cannot wait to use these again with like a full face on clean lashes and see what happens. We're gonna see if we still like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and end the video here. Bye guys.